Is your mobile data running out too fast on your iPhone? Some apps continue using data in the background, even when you're not using them, which can drain your data plan quickly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restrict apps from using mobile data on iPhone. Let's get started. iPhones allow you to control which apps can use mobile data, helping you save data and prevent background apps from consuming it unnecessarily. If certain apps are using too much data, you can disable their mobile data access, forcing them to work only on Wi-Fi. To restrict app data usage, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Mobile Service and then tap on Mobile Data or Cellular depending on your region. This menu displays all the apps installed on your iPhone, along with how much data each one has used. In the Mobile Data settings, scroll through the list of apps. Each app has a toggle switch next to it. If the switch is green, it means the app is allowed to use mobile data. To block an app from using mobile data, simply tap the switch to turn it off. Once disabled, that app will only function when connected to Wi-Fi. Even when you're not actively using an app, some apps still run in the background and consume mobile data. To stop this, go back to the Settings menu and tap on General. Scroll down and select Background App Refresh. Inside this menu, you will see a list of apps that refresh in the background. To completely block background data usage, tap on Background App Refresh at the top of the screen and select Wi-Fi only. This ensures that apps won't use mobile data when running in the background. If you want to block background activity for specific apps, scroll through the list and disable Background App Refresh for the ones you want to restrict. By default, iPhones have a feature called Wi-Fi Assist, which automatically switches to mobile data when Wi-Fi is weak. This can lead to unexpected data usage. To disable this feature, go back to Mobile Data Settings, scroll all the way down and turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Restricting apps from using mobile data on iPhone is a great way to save data, prevent overages, and improve battery life. Whether you disable mobile data for specific apps, turn off background refresh, enable low data mode, or disable Wi-Fi Assist, these settings give you full control over your iPhone's data usage. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next one.